Hello. In this video, we'll talk about weird space graphics. There's a lot of math involved. First, what is it called? Many-dimensional graphics math, hyperboloid graphics, spherical graphics, any-dimensional graphics, unbounded dimensional graphics, infinite dimensional graphics, although that's a misnomer a little bit, more dimensional graphics, higher dimensional graphics, 4D plus graphics, n-dimensional graphics, ND graphics, for short of that, weird space graphics, manifold graphics, warp space graphics. Another proposed thing, power of a spherical space graphics math. Also, it can be shortened to things that start with, and it's E for Euclidean, H for hyperbolic, or S for spherical, plus a number for dimensions like H4. You can also have like H4 plus S2 or whatever. Combination of these, and of course, yet to be imagined. What is it then? There's Euclidean, which is at least somewhat like our real space, but there are at least two ways to do it. Cutter tape and we can also have fit-in type. The difference is projection. In cutter type, more dimensional graphics, it is a straight line from the point to a view at point through the view plane. And if it is inside the view plane exactly, then it is viewed. Otherwise, it is cut out of the view. Fit-in type, more dimensional, is like project the entire space down into a lower dimension and continue until you have projected to your two-dimensional screen. It is a mathematical process. Euclidean graphics have straight lines, means be straight, and dimensions be perpendicular to each other, all of them. Hyperboloid graphics. These are represented by a hyperbola rotated around the center. And we can also see that a plane in hyperboloid will actually be 3D in Euclidean in order to represent it. The same applies to spherical. It is like a circle in one dimension, a sphere in 2 dimensions, and rotation in 4 dimensions for 3 dimensions. They are all a uniform distance from a center. My proposed power of this would make a coordinate in Euclidean, and as would be with this to a power and with the original sign. And another interesting topic, warps. Warps are when one point or set of points correspond to another point or set of points, means where they would not normally. Warps can have properties such as which way is forward or sideways or a combination when you're passing through them. Also, things like this are useful for things. For example, we can better use our spaces is by using these. Many people have proven that. We can also better understand our space. Who knows? Maybe we actually do live in a 4D space. Who knows? Or maybe it's a spherical space, or a hyperbolic space. Or maybe it's a combination. Who knows? Einsteinian physics deals with curved spaces, so who knows? And as a plus, it's fun. Have fun with this. And RinomXE, my 4 or more dimensional thing, and it also does 3D. And about me. I have a lot more contacts now. Thank you for watching. Always want to make merry and not be merry at me.